Let's try new skincare from Viti Cosmetics x James Welsh. According to James Welsh, this somehow replicate the needle treatment. We have here the first three, which differs on their concentration on how it can penetrate the skin. This is the Viti Riddle Shot 100. This one helps penetrate into the deeper layer of the skin. Texture is very liquidy. Oh, you can really feel that there is something pricking on your face. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow. I can really feel that there is something pricking on my face. I think for now I need to pass with the Riddle Shot 300 and the Riddle Shot 700 because I'm just starting to use it and I don't want my skin to be triggered because of its concentration. So now I move on to this. This is the next step for me. PDRN Essence 100 also has the peak filling. Now we move on to this VT Sika Soothing Mask. This one gives a gentle hydration on rough skin. So I actually have a very textured skin here in this area. So I think I would love this one. So this is basically a mask. I love this. Just let this sit on my skin for 10 minutes and I will be back. I think we're good because it's dry already, and this is what I love about masks. You can really feel that my skin looks even more healthier. Again, this is the Viti Cosmetics x James Welsh skincare box. If you also want to have this skincare box from Viti Cosmetics x James Welsh, this is available at stylekorean.com or Style Korean app for only $29. So don't miss out. Bye!